Hi, welcome. So in this lecture, we'll be working on setting up an example for our Git rebase demonstration. So actual demonstration will be in the next lecture. In this lecture, we'll set up our example. Okay, so I have created a demo rebase repository as you can see over here. And if I check the log, I can see only a single commit as you can see over here. Let's clear the screen and we are in the master branch. So let's check the contents of the directory. So we have several files over here. So I'll start building up the commit history, and first I'll modify the humans.txt. So in this section, I'll change the name first over here. So I'll just add my name Bibhash Roy, and that's it. Press escape key :WQ to quit and save. So since all these files in the repository are already tracked, considering the fact that I have made a commit of all the files, I'll just do an express commit using git commit -am. And for each commit, I will label with the name of the branch. So this is master branch, and then the action I took, which is added name, and the name of the file that I have changed. So that's humans.txt. Quotes close, press enter, and the commit is done. So I'll just make another simple commit in the humans.txt. So over here under this section team, I'll just add the name of the team. So the team is Whitepick Software, and the role can be software development. And I'll add the Twitter handle over here. So the Twitter handle is @whitepicksoft, and that's it. Press escape key :WQ to quit and save, and we make a simple commit. So I'll just retrieve an earlier commit message and I will simply modify it. So the action we take is added team information, and the file is humans.txt. Press enter key and the commit is done. So let's clear the screen. Now we'll create a branch using git checkout -b, and we'll create a feature branch. Let's assume that we are working on a very important feature, and we name the branch top feature. Press enter, and we have not only created the branch, but also we have current branch as top feature. So we'll just modify the file index.html twice. So this is the first change that you are making. Press I key to insert, and we'll just modify the title over here. So let the name of the title be rebase demo. So demo short for demonstration. Press escape key :WQ to quit and save. Now we need to commit it. So I retrieve the earlier commit message, and we modify this message suitably. So the branch is top feature now. So the action we took is modified title, and the file is index.html. So that forms the simple commit message. Press enter and the commit is done. We'll just add one more change. Let's scroll down, and we are right now in this paragraph as you can see over here. So we'll just add a simple change over here. Press I key to insert, and we add a simple line which is latest browser version recommended. So that's it. Press escape key :WQ to quit and save, and we'll just commit it. So we again retrieve an earlier commit message, and we simply modify the commit message to suit our needs. So the action we took is browser upgrade recommendation. So that's our simple commit message. Press enter and commit is done. And we switch back to master branch using git checkout master. Press enter. So let's do an ls to check the contents of the directory. So I'll make two more changes in this file 404.html. So this is the first change in this file. Press I key to insert, and we just modify the title over here. So we just add 404 error, page not found. That's it. Press escape key, :WQ to quit and save. And let's do our commit. So I retrieve an earlier commit message for the master branch and I modify it suitably. So the branch is master, and we add our action, which is modified title, and the file is 404.html. Press enter and the commit is done. And let's make our last commit. So vim 404.html, press I key to insert, and we just change the font family over here. So let's have Times New Roman instead of sans serif. Press escape key, :WQ to quit and save. And let's do an express commit once again. So the file remains 40.4.html and we change to modified font family. Press enter and the commit is done. So let's check our git log after all the necessary changes we have done. So I retrieve an earlier git log command which we executed earlier, and here it is. Let's press enter and here we go. So here are the 3 commits related to the master branch. So this is the first one which I created earlier when I set up the repository, and these are the 2 commits we created right now. Then I created our branch over here, as you can see in the graph, and these are the 2 commits I made in the top feature branch, as you can see over here. And lastly, we switched back to master and created those 2 commits over here. So that's the git log commit history.